unboxing of the LG microwave oven. Model number is MH20440B. Price of this is roughly around 5,000 rupees. There are two versions of this. This one comes with the grill. The other one is just a microwave. That is roughly around 5 to 6,000. This one costs around 8,000 bucks. Key safety guide. So how to use and not to use. So do's and don'ts. Make sure to use the microwave safe utensils only, and we should not keep any metal ones inside. This is how the build quality is. So as I said, this comes with the grill, and this grill also comes with the owner's manual. There is no cooking guide. Cooking instructions are over here for different kinds of recipes, and also you can scan to check the owner's manual for further more instructions. This is a touch panel and comes with microwave, grill and combination, and then you have the timer option, start stop, and the door eject button.